Second application is called transmutation. That is, every one of us are born with some congenital defects. They may be mental or intellectual or emotional, or some diseased conditions inherited from parents, or diseased conditions acquired by ourselves. Through this process of living, you will transmute yourself, and all the congenital defects, especially psychological, emotional, cultural, intellectual and educational, will be removed, and you will be the foremost in everything. You will be elevated into the best of your mettle. This is what is called a total healing by the Lord. This is another aspect of yoga living. A third aspect is working through many bodies. You can work through many physical bodies existing at different places at the same time for the benefit of humanity. It is not a miracle. It is not a miracle, but you will do it. How? You can make the same transformation to anyone who is with you. Just as a powerful magnet can give its touch to a piece of iron, as long as other people are in your presence, they work for the humanity. They also work like perfect yogis, because mentally they have no existence of their own as long as they are in your presence. And you can do it permanently also to some people who are your followers, and make a total transformation permanently. Just as one magnet can produce 1,000 magnets, when once you are a full-fledged yogi of the Patanjali's path, you can produce as many yogis as it is permitted by the Lord. But don't do this without taking the acceptance of the other person, because morally we are permitted to intrude into the personal life of anyone. You will have people chosen not by you but by the Lord. They will make a total surrender of themselves to you, so that they have no personal life and private life except yourself. Since you too have no personal life, you have no motives to tackle them. When you do not want anything for yourself, when they make a total surrender to you, it is not a surrender to you, but it is a surrender to the Lord. Only with those persons you make a total transformation. Make them yogis like yourself, and your presence helps them and hastens the process. And thus you can work through 100 bodies or 1,000 bodies, simultaneously working. This is the next step prescribed by Patanjali about yoga living.